At Rixos the Palm, the ultra all-inclusive package goes far beyond the basics. You've got unlimited access to buffet dining, a la carte restaurants like the Italian-inspired L'Olivo and the American-style Toro Loco Steakhouse, plus casual snacks and coffee served throughout the day. Drinks are also part of the deal, whether that's cocktails at the pool bar, fresh juices by the beach, or wine with dinner. And if you'd rather stay in, 24-hour room service is included at no extra cost. What makes this package stand out is that entertainment and activities are built in, not bolted on. Kids have supervised clubs and daily programs, while adults can join fitness classes, tennis matches, or water sports right off the hotel's private beach. Some spa treatments and certain excursions do come with an additional charge, but for everyday dining, drinks, and recreation, everything is already covered in the room rate. I'll cover more details as we go, including exact room pricing, but if you're ready to book, the links below are set to give you the best price currently available. Set on the eastern crescent of Palm Jumeirah, the property feels both exclusive and connected. From the private beachfront, you'll see uninterrupted views of the Gulf on one side and the Dubai skyline on the other, making the setting one of the most photogenic in the city. The location does mean you're about a 30-minute drive from landmarks like Burj Al Arab and Souk Madinat Jumeirah, and around 40 minutes from Dubai International Airport, depending on traffic, so transfers take a little planning. To balance that distance, the resort offers a free shuttle to shopping centers, and taxis and rideshares are readily available at the entrance. Once you're on the property, though, the appeal is in staying put. With a private beach, multiple pools, and dining options on site, most guests find there's little need to leave unless they're heading out for sightseeing or a day at Aquaventure Water Park, which is about 12 minutes away. The most affordable choice at Rixos the Palm is the deluxe room, at around $393 per person, per night when shared by 2 guests. This entry-level category is ideal for couples or solo travelers who want a taste of Dubai luxury without overspending. With a king bed, rainfall shower, and deep soaking tub, it balances comfort and style while still keeping you connected to the all-inclusive benefits of the resort. For families, the 2-bedroom family suite is the option that makes the most sense. At about $214 per person, per night when filled to capacity with 6, it provides separate sleeping areas for parents and children, along with multiple bathrooms. It's designed for longer stays, giving everyone their own space while still keeping the group together. At the top end, the 5-bedroom suite is the resort's standout for large groups or extended families. At roughly $311 per person, per night when shared by 10 guests, it offers privacy for each bedroom, a private pool for relaxation, and panoramic sea views that make the setting feel like a private villa. In terms of amenities, you'll find 2 outdoor pools, including a dedicated children's pool, plus a hot tub and a health club that runs yoga, Pilates, and fitness sessions throughout the week. For sports, there are tennis courts, squash, and even basketball and beach volleyball, so active travelers never run out of options. The spa features Turkish baths, aromatherapy, and a wide range of massage treatments. Families benefit from on-site childcare, a supervised kids club, and a playground, while practical services like a concierge, multilingual staff, and a business center make it easy for both leisure and work-focused travelers to feel looked after. Entertainment at Rixos is built to cover every mood. Evenings bring live bands, DJs, and a dedicated nightclub that keeps the atmosphere going long after dinner. Families can enjoy organized shows and interactive performances designed for all ages, while those looking for something more social will find sports screenings and themed events across the resort's bars. For daytime fun, the arcade, game room, and poolside activities create a lively environment without needing to leave the property. Beyond the resort, you're well placed for some of Dubai's most iconic experiences, from shopping and cinema at the Mall of the Emirates to indoor skiing at Ski Dubai. For something outdoors, water parks and desert tours are within easy reach, giving you plenty of variety if you want to break up your stay with a change of scenery. Dining at Rixos is one of the highlights of the stay, with a mix of casual and upscale options that keep meals from ever feeling repetitive. The main Bodrum restaurant handles breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an international buffet, while still managing to offer plenty of regional dishes for guests who want to sample flavors closer to home. For something more refined, L'Olivo serves Italian classics in an elegant setting, while Toro Loco delivers a steakhouse experience with premium cuts and a lively atmosphere. Both require reservations, but they're worth planning for if you want a break from buffet dining. Between meals, the snack bars and cafes fill in the gaps with lighter bites, pastries, and coffee, so you're never limited to fixed dining hours. What really stands out here is the attention to detail. Service is fast, dishes are consistently well prepared, and the beachfront settings mean many meals come with sweeping views of the Gulf. For guests who value variety without sacrificing quality, the food experience at Rixos the Palm lives up to the luxury reputation. It's important to know that the property leans heavily toward families. Parents love the kids' facilities, but couples sometimes mention that quiet spaces are harder to find around the pools and restaurants. If you're looking for an entirely adult-focused experience, this isn't the best fit. Also, dining access depends on the length of your stay. Guests booked for just one night only have the buffet included, while stays of 2 nights or more open access to the a la carte restaurants. For travelers planning a short trip, this can be a limiting factor. On top of that, spa treatments aren't part of the all-inclusive package, and they can be a splurge. Signature couples rituals such as the romantic indulgence start around 1,600 dirhams, while classic massages like Swedish or Thai average 500 to 700 dirhams per hour. For guests who want daily wellness sessions, these extras add up quickly. If any of these points are deal breakers for you, check out my video linked below for alternative places to stay on the Palm. When you look at Dubai as a whole, Rixos the Palm sits in a pretty strong position on value. It's currently ranked in the top 10 for all-inclusive stays across the city, which is impressive considering how competitive this market is. The main difference is that while many luxury resorts here only bundle a few meals or limited drinks, Rixos goes all in. That makes the stay far easier to budget, without constantly worrying about extra charges every time you order. Compared to the ultra-luxury names like Atlantis or One and Only, you're not paying for every add-on. And compared to mid-tier resorts, you're getting a much more polished, consistently high-end experience. Rixos the Palm is ideal if you're the kind of traveler who wants everything in one place. Families will get the most out of it thanks to the large suites, dedicated kids' spaces, and the social, energetic atmosphere that runs throughout the resort. Groups also benefit, especially in the multi-bedroom suites, where everyone can stay together without sacrificing privacy. On the other hand, if your idea of a Dubai escape is absolute quiet or a strictly adults-only vibe, you'll find better fits on my playlist linked below. For most guests, though, this resort is exactly what it promises: a full-service, all-inclusive luxury stay on the Palm, with no need to complicate the holiday once you arrive. Book your stay at the best price via my link in the top comment or description.